How dare you apply the law to me? Well, you don't defend the conduct, you attack the referee. You don't answer the allegation, you claim persecution instead. Always the victim. You don't deal with whether you crossed legal boundaries, you claim the boundary itself is illegitimate because the people voted. It's a clever line if your audience thinks elections are a license to do whatever you want. It's not very clever in a legal setting where the question is a lot narrower. Does the law limit what a minister can do to the police, and has that limit been breached? So can the High Court force Ben Gvir's removal? Well, courts do not march into Parliament and physically remove a minister themselves. What the court can do, though, is something a lot more surgical and a lot more dangerous than Netanyahu, because it can issue a decision that creates an operational impossibility for him. The court's first step is the show cause logic. It issues a conditional order. The government must answer, and the court can then make the conditional order absolute, meaning it can order a remedy. In this case, the remedy could be framed as an order directed at the Prime Minister to remove the minister, or the Prime Minister is acting unlawfully by keeping it. So the power is not a Ben Gvir out button per se. The power is a legal finding that makes Netanyahu's choice indefensible within the system Israel claims to run. And if Netanyahu refuses, then the crisis is no longer about Ben Gvir. It becomes a direct confrontation between the government itself and its own High Court. Then it becomes a question of compliance. Does the executive obey the judiciary, or does it consider itself above the law? Does it treat court orders as optional?